All you really want is for someone just to reach out to help you. At Rush Memorial, we truly understand that the emotions you experience when you visit any hospital, emergency room, or doctor's office might be similar to the feelings of a lost child. Sometimes you just want help. We are that helping hand. You will find that our entire staff is committed to patient-centered care with a focus on customer service. Our goal is to reduce your anxiety and help guide you through the process so you feel comfortable from the moment you enter to the moment you leave. We listen, we change, we adapt quickly to meet your needs. You're more than a number or a patient to us. You are a neighbor, a loved one, a community member, a friend.
Several years ago, we made a commitment to put the patient experience first above everything else. As a result, positive changes have occurred in both our hospital and how we serve the community. Well, we really wanted to understand what our patients needed. Sometimes you work in this type of environment day in and day out, and you really don't know what the customer really wants and needs. So what we've tried to do is we tried to form a council of different community members from different ages, from different experiences, to try to really help teach us what our community and what our patients need from a healthcare standpoint.
After exploring the healthcare needs of our community and with a renewed commitment from our Board of Trustees, physician recruitment became our top priority. By investing in staff facilities, equipment, and new medical technology, we have built an experienced, compassionate, and qualified physician group practice. The diversity of our physicians allows you a choice. You select the physician who makes you feel the most comfortable and fits your overall healthcare needs. Having more physicians and more medical specialties available locally, we have created tremendous cross-coverage, meaning you will always have a doctor in your community. Since the opening of our new Cancer and Hematology Center, we have been able to provide specialized care in a very comfortable, convenient, and private setting. The number of patients seeking cancer and blood disorder care at Rush Memorial has tripled in recent years. We have worked hard in partnership with the Indianapolis-based Community Cancer Care Group to assemble a team of board-certified oncologists, hematologists, and specially trained nurses to provide a wide range of services in our community. Our physician group sees patients who travel here from over 40 different Indiana counties. In addition to our established patients, we average more than 100 new patients each month. Our community is fortunate because they have the physicians right here. Your options are no longer limited. We see close to 12,000 patients yearly in our emergency department. Of those, 96% are treated here in the hospital, which is always staffed with experienced physicians and qualified nurses. The remaining 4% are transferred for a higher level of care, mainly for severe trauma or cardiac arrest. We take care of all medical emergencies in our emergency department, regardless of a person's ability to pay. We put our patients first, above all else. Our community is very fortunate to have a continuum of emergency medical services that includes ambulances, paramedics, EMTs, and a medical helicopter. The helicopter, which is based on our campus, allows for an alternative form of transport when time is a critical factor. This unparalleled level of service is unique to our region. Our inpatient unit offers comprehensive medical care, from pediatrics to geriatrics. Many of our rooms have been remodeled and have high-speed internet access at the bedside. We handle your care as a team. Experienced physicians, highly skilled nurses, individualized discharge plans, nutritional consultation, and respiratory and rehabilitation therapies are available from team members committed to your care. Having surgery is difficult enough without having to drive an hour. Most of your surgeries can be performed right here. Our expanding surgery department performs procedures in modern, well-equipped operating rooms. Procedures range from colonoscopies to bowel resections, tonsillectomies to gallbladder removals, as well as orthopedic surgeries. We have made significant investments in the upgrade of equipment and technology in our laboratory and imaging departments. Our lab performed over 93,000 tests last year and is accredited by the College of American Pathologists, a highly valued industry recognition. Ask your physician about having your lab work performed here so you don't have to drive out of the county. Our imaging department performs over 18,000 tests and procedures annually. These include CT scans, open-sided MRI scans, ultrasounds, mammograms, bone density tests, echocardiograms, and nuclear medicine procedures, among others. Again, ask your physician about having your imaging tests performed here. With more than 127 referring physicians, we have become the preferred location for rehabilitation therapy. This newly remodeled area includes significant upgrades in equipment, as well as the addition of a dedicated hand station for use by the world-renowned hand surgeon, Dr. James Strickland. When surveyed, 100% of our patients said they would return to our therapy department for future rehabilitation needs. We have worked hard to bring a variety of specialists to our community. Due to our small county population, it is costly for specialists to set up a practice on their own. It is also costly and inconvenient for you to take extended time off work to drive to out-of-county offices. This is why we have dedicated the space, staff, and resources to make it possible for you to see your specialist here. You receive the same specialized care right here in our medical specialty clinics that you would receive in their home office located in a bigger city. Dr. James Strickland has made his home at Rush Memorial. We are fortunate to have such a highly specialized orthopedic surgeon on our medical staff. Dr. Strickland, along with the Newcastle Orthopedic Group, has helped expand orthopedic services to our community. As the only full-time rheumatologist in the area, Dr. Denise Thornberry brings a needed service to the region. Patients drive from as far as Chicago for appointments with Dr. Thornberry. Healthcare is one of the fastest-growing industries in the country, and hospitals stimulate local and state development. As one of the major employers in Rush County, we are a strong economic force and play a vital role in stimulating the local economy. We are involved in multiple organizations. We support many great causes and community projects, and we provide learning opportunities for students interested in healthcare careers. Our Rush Initiative, which stands for Respect and Unity Start Here, is the foundation for employee development and patient care. Serving our community since 1950, we are more than a hospital. We are a community partner. Our goal is to make sure you never have that lost child feeling when it comes to your health care.